Are you ready to unlock the power of AI in data analysis and analytics? At Computer Training Wales, we offer cutting-edge courses designed to equip you with the skills to harness the full potential of AI in the world of data. Dive into the realm of AI-driven data analysis, where you'll learn advanced techniques to extract valuable insights from complex datasets. Master the art of AI-powered data modeling, enabling you to uncover hidden patterns and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Join us at Computer Training Wales as we guide you through the exciting world of AI data analysis and analytics, empowering you to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field. Visit our website today to explore our AI data analysis and analytics courses. Let Computer Training Wales be your gateway to success in the world of AI-driven data analysis. Computer Training Wales, empowering you with AI skills for the future.